Hey everybody, just want to go over the 2 to 3 p.m. the PM Silver Bullet hour from ICT. I want to show you some trade setups. Now the first thing we see here is a short-term low here, or higher time frame liquidity being taken, and this is actually the low of the day. So this blue line is the midnight New York time, so there's your midnight open. This is the low of the day right here. It gets taken out. Let me just throw this back on over here. Okay. Liquidity has been taken. Now we're looking for a market structure shift. Okay. Well, you get one right here. Market structure shift with this. Is there a displacement? There's not. So we can't take a trade. Well, look closer. There's actually a breaker block right here. Why is this a breaker block? Well, you've got a low, high, lower low, takes out this short-term low right here, then trades through it. Once it trades through it, when it comes back down, that's a breaker block. Your entry is right there. Take your entry. Your stop goes below the low here. Why one tick? So you got 3 handles right there. And what are you aiming for? Well, you're aiming for this swing high right here. And you get, 2.5 R on this trade. 7.5 handles. Good trade. Now, is there a place to pyramid? There is, actually. You can get a fair value gap right here, and another trade's back in there. Ultimately, we're trying to go back up to this midnight open, and here's why. When you go look left, over the lunch hour, or from 11 o'clock on, these are relatively equal highs right here, and that's your draw on liquidity right there. Trying to get up there. Do we get there? I don't know, but that's the eventual draw, right? This fair value gap, can you take another entry there? Yeah, you absolutely can. And your low would go below this candle here, but since it is a volume imbalance, I'd go 1 tick below that. So you got 3 handles there. 2 to 1 is 6 right here, but you would be aiming for this swing high here. There you go. There's that draw on liquidity right there. So you're aiming, you're still good to go. Now, could you ride it up all the way up here? Absolutely. You can get 15 handles right there. Absolutely. Could this one, how much would you get here? 19 handles. Awesome. Let's put those back to where they were. But those are the first targets. Then me personally, I'm raising my stop up and I'm trailing it up and letting it go, taking partials off. Those are the first two trades. Now, those two are good setups because if you took your fib from where you was here and to where we're trying to aim for this midnight open range here to take out those relatively equal highs. Equilibrium's right here. So down here, we're in discount. We can buy in discount. We're good. When we cross over here, we don't want to take buys up here. Okay. So this next trade, it does work out. There's a fair value gap right here. And you could take that trade, and it does work out. And if you took this trade, you would have won, because your stop would have gone below this handle right here. And it goes up. You're still aiming here, 2 to 1. You get it right here. You get like 2.4. Actually, you go to 2.5 right there. There's 2.5 R. You did great. Now, if you took this trade, you're thinking, this is awesome. This is great. But here's where you got lucky, because it's a higher risk trade. And it worked out in your favor this time. A lot of times it doesn't work out in your favor when you're buying in a premium. Okay, so it's a higher risk trade. As long as you know that up front and you're willing to risk it, that's a judgment call that you have to make for yourself. Me personally, I'm not taking this trade. I did this. Now, granted, when you're here and you're going up, this isn't up there, right? And if you wanted to go here, both of these trades are still in discount, right? So no matter how you want to slice it, if I go where my target is, I'm in discount still. I'm buying. This is clearly in a premium at this point, so I'm not taking this trade. But that is your 3 potential trades of the Silver Bullet Hour that you could have taken on May 30th.